What's going on, guys? MikeSboy73G3 here, and I just got back. I actually spent another 15 minutes just collecting data clusters. I think I got close to 90.
This was made especially to reward you. Now I need you to continue by stabilizing one of my rigs. Doing so will earning you more bragging rights, and will get you a reward.
At least you're direct.
CID suit. Okay. Yeah, I should have like 10,000. 16K. Telekinesis element lightning. Okay. Obey one more time. Jesus Christ. I'm not doing this for 100% because I know that's not gonna fucking happen. But I'm doing this for, first of all, the telekinesis and the achievement. Okay. Your first task out of 15 fucking thousand. Like, I don't like doing side quests, but I just have to do them. Like, I have to. Like, I fucking vow to myself. It's ridiculous. At least I could travel super fast because my data clusters now. You know what, speaking of data clusters, let's see if there's anything interesting that I could upgrade. I mean, power. Telekinesis upgrades. I have everything possible with telekinesis. Super sprint, do I have everything possible? I have everything but reduced damage, that's fine. Air dash 2. Gliding. I guess I could get Air Dash 2. Really? Air Dash 3? Are you kidding? No, I'm not wasting my fucking shit on that. Alright, whatever. That's fine. I have 67 now. Make that 68. That was pretty fucking amazing. With 69 clusters! Alright. I can't believe that I've only done like 5 story missions. And I've already played it for like fucking 6 hours.
They must be destroyed. I have created logic bombs which can be thrown at the firewalls using your telekinesis in order to bring them down. However, the Zin have their own bombs, which you should watch out for. Be mindful that specific colors...
It's like Quidditch. Let's... Fuck.
Pick yourself up and keep going.
Fuck. Yes. Very difficult. What the shit? Jesus Christ. This may literally take 15 minutes on its own. Alright, good, I finished it. Jesus Christ. Failed? Oh my fucking, no fucking way. Alright guys, I'll come back when I'm done with this fucking activity. Alright.